Travelog 11th. Welcome to Nama Buddha. Welcoming all you guys right here. Red, green, yellow, white. Doesn't it just do justice to the whole the display of flags? While we are talking about prayer flags, that's always on the monasteries, and we see it all the time, everywhere around. Was there at Baudhanath, was there at Setu Gumba and the Kapan Gumba itself. But while talking about the place, a little drive, or say about 2 hours, 1.5 hours drive from the Cape Town, and half an hour of the road is just really bad. So you got to be really careful if you aren't much of a driver. Don't even think of getting your car here. And while we get onto this place, as the drive is so beautiful, the place around looks so beautiful, and with so much of silence and the wind breeze being so nice around. The view right now is not that clear, but the last time, I think the best time to come here is around January, where you can exactly see the mountain ranges, and those two gumbas, or the goldenish house that you can see, are the monasteries here, where the monks, they have their from starting from there, they start their day right from there, from prayers to their classes to lunch. Everything happens right around that place, and just across that there is a place where they stay too. So the lodging happens here itself. About 100 to 400 monks from all around the world, they come here just for the religion of Buddhism. That's what they have been following. And right across you can also see the 8 pagodas all together, which seems really beautiful. And that there's a stupa, there's a Buddha stupa, and here there's a place where you can light the lamps, where it just said that it's a place, it's actually said that it's a place where Lord Buddha, when he was here, and there were two animals, one getting on to another, trying to kill the other, but Lord Buddha sacrificed his blood just to fulfill the needs of that animal. So that's why this place is really renowned. But otherwise, a very scenic and beautiful place that you can come by around the Cape Town, must visit, and you would just know when you get right here. So with the pictures and with the travelogue, a little glimpse of what can happen around Cape Town and right here in Nepal. Thank you so much.